big swing.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys just seen in that little intro there, I got the car all prepped and ready for paint. We got us a nice little paint booth set up around it, and that actually took me a whole day to do yesterday. So today we're gonna get this thing painted finally. Hopefully it turns out really well, because as you guys can tell by the title, this thing is gonna be my first time. I'm a beginner at this. I don't even know how to set the paint gun up. I've never done that myself either, but we're gonna get it done today. So the car is already all nice and cleaned up. It's wiped down real clean. All these parts that I got sitting around that need to be painted also, they're all nice and wiped clean. So now I just gotta start mixing up my product and we'll get it all painted. I'm super excited, you guys. At the same time as being super excited, I'm extremely nervous because like I said, this is my first time, you guys. Hopefully it turns out well, fingers crossed. But it's gonna be awesome either way. It's gonna save me a lot of money, so I really hope it turns out awesome. But anyway, we'll go out here and show you guys what we got going down. First, I'm gonna put some sealer on it. It's some black seal coat. So the reason I'm gonna do that is so that I don't have to use near as much paint to paint the car. Hopefully I can get like 2 coats out of this half gallon is what I got in there. And then we got our clear coat back there. And this little can right here holds the pearl coat that we're gonna do. Hopefully that turns out extremely awesome. I had pearl coat on the Sonoma, which made it look kind of purple. This one's gonna be like a blue. But like I said, the car is all nice and cleaned up and they're in our makeshift booth. So it's time to get this product mixed up and in that gun. Get it set right and we'll start rocking and rolling.
So best friends got each other's back. We used to cruise around with a bass to the max. Everyone in school while I was in the lab, cooking up some beats that would turn into tracks. High school chillin', I was on a mission. I had bigger dreams of being a musician. Teachers always talked but I couldn't seem to listen. I lived in a fantasy land, they called it fiction. But I was gonna be big one day, playing shows on the road to a sold out stage. Nobody really cared or believed I would make it anywhere close, I would fail and fade. But that's cool, I love that, cause any little doubt gives me energy back. And now, I'm in a place where I'm glad I never gave up on the dreams I had. And big dreams lead to big things, and big swings lead to big rings. Championships or the big screen, anyone who did anything took a big swing. And big dreams lead to big things, and big swings lead to big rings. Championships or the big screen, anyone who did anything took a big swing. Yeah, let's go. So if you want something big, you gotta swing fast, swing hard and commit. You might miss 10 times, but when you hit, just make sure that you get all of it, okay?
Well guys, as you just seen, the seal coat's on. Gotta give that about 30 minutes to dry out. There might be 1 or 2 spots where I have to lightly wet sand, just so it'll be nice and smooth, because my, I don't know, like I said, I'm a beginner. I accidentally let the air hose touch the car in a few spots, so I might have to wet sand that a little bit smooth before we do some paint. But 30 minutes from now, we're gonna be able to lay down some base coat. Hopefully that goes really well. I gotta probably dial in my gun a little bit better than I did for the seal coat. Hopefully I'll get the gun dialed in a lot better for that base coat, so it goes down nice and smooth. And after that, it's on a clear coat, but right now it's just a waiting game, guys.
In my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness, I just wanna be greatness. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get.
Car's in there, as you know. That's 2 coats of black. The base coat, we're gonna let that cure out for 15 minutes, and then we'll be ready to hit it up with that clear coat. This right here, like I was telling you guys before, if you don't remember, blue pearl coat. It's gonna be awesome, you guys. That's coming up next. Stick around. Well, here it is, guys. All the black is on. It looks pretty darn good for a beginner, for my opinion. I mean, seriously, it's my first time ever painting the car by myself, and I really think it turned out pretty decent. There was a spot, at least one spot that I found so far that I had to wet sand. Hopefully it'll turn out really well. But yeah, look at that, guys. I think once I clear coat this thing, as long as I get the clear coat right, everything's gonna turn out really nice. Man, I was really nervous, but I think it looks pretty good. Now over here is the spot where I had a run in it. Hopefully I've got it taken care of for the most part. Doesn't look like it's too noticeable anymore. But like I said, guys, it's time to hit it with that clear coat. First we're gonna do the pearl coat, probably 2 coats of pearl and then another coat of clear. Hopefully I get the gun set properly for that clear coat, because if it doesn't go down smooth, then we might end up with fish eyes, and I really don't want that, because this right here is a lot of sanding to have to do if we do end up with fish eyes. So let's hope and pray that that doesn't happen and everything turns out nice and smooth. All right, guys, I got 2 coats of pearl coat on this bad boy, and man, it looks amazing. That blue pearl coat is so freaking cool. I'm so happy that I decided to do that, because you can see where the light hits it, it looks blue, and where the light's not hitting it, it still looks black. So cool, you guys, so freaking cool. I honestly, I cannot be more pleased with I honestly cannot be more pleased with the decision that I went about putting that blue pearl coat on. I think it's gonna look amazing out in the sunlight. Now I do have a pretty good run in it. I noticed it's right here on the door. I gotta fix that run real quick before I go with my last coat of clear, but everything else looks amazing. I'm gonna have to lay it down a lot thicker this last time to get that roof to gloss out pretty good. Probably even get that hood to gloss out better, but everything else looks super cool. Just gotta finish up, I just gotta touch up this one little run right here. After that, I think we're gonna be good to go. I think it's gonna be a real nice finished project, you guys. I don't know what happened right here. It's not run to clear, or it's not one to cover anywhere. I don't know why those spots just aren't covered anymore, because I definitely painted it and sealed it and everything. But anyway, the spoiler will cover that spot anyhow. So it's time to jump out there to my mixing station and get some more clear coat put down. This is gonna be awesome, you guys. I can't wait till morning. But like I said, I'm gonna mix up one more coat of clear, get it sprayed on that car nice and wet so it's glossy, and then I'll pick back up with you guys in the morning when we pull it out of the garage to see what it looks like in person, or in the light. I mean we're already seeing it in person, but yeah, in the morning pick back up and you guys can see what it looks like in the sunlight. All right, you guys, so it's actually a few days later. I didn't get my reaction to seeing the car in person the next morning, rolling it out of the shop, And I didn't want to show you guys right away either because I really wanted it all to be put together, all the pieces on it and everything looking nice and good and complete. Now the only thing that I haven't done yet is I haven't wet sanded all the trash out of it and polished it so it's like a nice shiny mirror finish. But the car looks so freaking good, you guys, and I'm about to show y'all. I hope you guys like it as much as I do because I really think it turned out awesome. So here you go, guys. There it is. That blue pearl coat went on there, so cool. I think I put it on kind of heavy because in the sunlight it looks straight blue, but over here on this side and in the shadows, as you can see, it looks like really midnight blue and pretty much black in some cases. It's so awesome the way the color flops. So I'm just gonna go around the back side here, just take a nice little 360 for you guys. The color flops insane on this thing. Like I said, I might have put the blue on a little bit heavy, but I'm honestly really happy with the way it turned out. See over here, it's like a midnight blue, still kind of like a black in some spots. It just depends on how the light hits it. We get down here in the grass and down the hill a little bit. Yeah, see, as you come back around the front of the car, the blue starts to hit on those nice body lines and everything just stands out really well. I'm so happy with it, you guys. I can't believe that it turned out this good for my first time. But check that out. That blue is so cool. It's not like the bright blue that these cars come with from the factory. Some of them have that. I'm not even 100% sure what the name of that blue is. It's a lot darker than that, even in the straight sunlight there. But man, this thing looks awesome, you guys. I really cannot believe I did such a good job for my first time ever. It does have some runs in it, and as you guys can see, you can probably make it out. It's got quite a bit of trash in it that I need to wet sand, but it's gonna be so awesome when I get it done, you guys. So that's probably gonna be one of the next videos, is wet sanding this thing, getting it all polished out to a nice mirror finish, but it's like a glossy finish, you know. But as you can see, it's pretty glossy already. It just isn't real clear, so we just need to take care of that. It's not going to be a big deal. I put 4 coats of clear on it, you know, 2 with the pearl coat and 2 more on top of that, so wet sanding and polishing shouldn't be a big deal. But definitely let me know down in the comments below how you guys feel about this. I think it turned out so good. I'm like really happy with what I did here, you guys. Like, I don't think I can say it enough. I'm so amazed with how good of a job I did. I can't believe it. I knew that there was gonna be trash. I knew there was gonna be runs in it. The lighting in the shop wasn't the greatest, so it's just all to be expected, and I'm so freaking happy, you guys. And look at it with that hood scoop on there. It looks so mean now. I mean, dang. Man, this is so cool. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so freaking happy. I feel so accomplished, you know? Like, the Sonoma was awesome, but this thing looks so freaking sweet. All right, guys, so that's probably gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. If you like this video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and just like that, I'll catch you guys in the next one.